The Pacific Northwest, and specifically Oregon, is a magnet for seasoned adventurers. But let's be honest, everyone knows about Multnomah Falls and Crater Lake. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Oregon's true magic, the secret hikes only the locals whisper about. Perfect for the solo traveler seeking genuine solitude and untouched beauty. Heading out alone here isn't just about escaping crowds. It's about deep immersion in the raw, vibrant wilderness that defines the state. Forget the tourist traps and prepare for trails that demand a little more navigation and commitment, but reward you tenfold. We're talking about places like the elusive trailheads near the Cascade Lake Scenic Byway, or the lesser-known paths hidden deep within Matillamuck State Forest. These are the routes where the silence is broken only by the sound of rushing water, and where the forest floor is a tapestry of ancient moss and ferns. Before you lace up those boots, remember that going solo means prioritizing safety. Tell someone your route, pack ample water, and respect the sudden, sometimes unforgiving weather changes the PNW is famous for. The reward? Unforgettable vistas of peaks and pristine alpine lakes, all yours, with nothing but your own thoughts for company. It's an adventure that cleanses the soul, and that's something worth remembering when you next crave true connection with nature.